Today we will discuss instrumentation-related interview questions along with their answers. First question is, what is instrumentation? Instrumentation refers to the science and art of measuring and controlling various physical quantities or process variables. These quantities are measured and controlled in industries or laboratories using specialized instruments. Next question is, what is the purpose of a control system? The purpose of a control system is to maintain a process variable at a desired set point by continuously measuring the process variable, comparing it to the set point, and adjusting the output accordingly. Next question is, explain the working principle of a thermocouple. A thermocouple working is based on the principle of the Seebeck effect. When two dissimilar metals are joined at two different points and exposed to a temperature gradient, a voltage is generated across the junction, which is proportional to the temperature difference. Next question is, what is the difference between a sensor and a transducer? A sensor is a device that detects or measures a physical quantity, while a transducer is a device that converts one form of energy into another. In instrumentation, sensors are used to measure physical quantities, and transducers convert these measurements into electrical signals. Next question is, what is HART protocol? HART, Highway Addressable Remote Transducer, protocol is a communication protocol used to transmit digital information between smart field instruments and a control system, allowing two-way communication over the same analog wiring. Next question is, what are the different calibration techniques? Calibration techniques include zero calibration, span calibration, multi-point calibration, and dynamic calibration. Zero calibration sets the instrument's output at the 0 point, while span calibration sets the output at the full-scale value. Multi-point calibration uses multiple reference points. Dynamic calibration involves adjusting the instrument in real time during operation. Next question is, explain the concept of rangeability in a measurement instrument. Rangeability refers to the ratio of the maximum measurable value to the minimum measurable value of a measurement instrument. A high rangeability means the instrument can measure a broad range of values with good accuracy. Next question is, what are the primary elements used in flow measurement? Primary elements used in flow measurement include orifice plates, venturi tubes, flow nozzles, and flow meters like electromagnetic, ultrasonic, and vortex flow meters. Next question is, what is the purpose of PID controller? A PID, proportional integral derivative, controller is used in control systems to maintain a process variable close to a desired set point. By continuously adjusting the control output based on the error difference between the set point and the process variable, the integral of the error, and the derivative of the error. Next question is, describe the working principle of a pressure transmitter. A pressure transmitter converts the applied pressure into an electrical signal, usually 4 to 20 milliamperes, using a sensing element, such as a diaphragm or strain gauge, which changes its resistance or capacitance with pressure variations. Next question is, what is SCADA, or Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition? SCADA is a system used to monitor and control industrial processes and equipment. Next question is, explain the difference between accuracy and precision. Accuracy refers to how close a measured value is to the true value, while precision refers to how close repeated measurements are to each other. An instrument can be precise, but not accurate, if it consistently measures the same value, but that value is far from the true value. Next question is, what is a strain gauge? A strain gauge is a sensor that measures mechanical strain in an object when subjected to stress. It consists of a thin wire or foil attached to the object, and its resistance changes with strain, allowing the measurement of deformation. Next question is, what is the working principle of a magnetic flow meter? A magnetic flow meter working is based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. When conductive fluid flows through a magnetic field created by the meter's coils, a voltage proportional to the flow rate is induced, which is used to determine the flow rate. Next question is, what are the common temperature measurement units used in instrumentation? The common temperature measurement units are Celsius, degree C, Fahrenheit, degree F, and Kelvin, K. In scientific and engineering applications, Kelvin is often preferred as it has an absolute scale starting from absolute zero. Next question is, what is the purpose of a control valve in a process control system? A control valve regulates the flow of fluid or gas in a process system. It receives the control signal from the controller and adjusts the valve opening to control the flow rate and maintain the process variable close to the set point. Next question is, what is an RTD, or resistance temperature detector? An RTD is a temperature sensor whose resistance changes with temperature. Typically, platinum is used as the RTD material due to its stable and linear resistance-temperature relationship.